Welcome to Fakhruddin Academy. My dear students, today I'm going to give you a simple explanation for time period of oscillation of a simple pendulum here. Let me discuss. Whenever you take a simple pendulum, this is said to be the mean position. And when you take the simple pendulum to other side, making certain angle theta, there is one more force acting on that, which is called as restoring force, which will again bring back the pendulum to the mean position from the extreme position. This is said to be the extreme position where it goes and stops and comes back again. So therefore, if you consider this as a curve and that distance is taken as x here, which is said to be the length of a pendulum is taken as L here, then you are going to do one thing here. How many forces are acting on that pendulum? One is mg is acting downwards in this direction. Exactly, these two angles are going to be same because they are said to be corresponding angles. These two lines are parallel, so these two angles are said to be corresponding angles. Therefore, this is mg. This is going to be mg cos theta, and this force which is said to be mg sin theta, and this force is said to be mg sin theta, which is called as a restoring force. Why is said to be restoring force? And that too it is negative here because this is the force which brings back the pendulum from extreme position to mean position, which is going from mean to extreme. So this is a reverse force acting. That's the reason why it is going to be negative here. Therefore, restoring force is taken as MA, which is equal to minus mg sin theta. MM gets cancelled. A is equal to minus g sin theta. If this angle is very small, that it is less than 5 degrees, then we can write sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Therefore, acceleration is equal to minus g. Sin theta is opposite side is x by L. So x you write here, by L you write here. This can be considered as equation number 1. You know the general equation. Acceleration is equal to minus omega square into x. This is taken as equation number 2. Compare these two equations and write a simple formula, that is omega square is going to be g by L and omega is going to be root of g by L, and you know omega is nothing but 2 pi by capital T, which is nothing but root of g by L. You make it reciprocal. You make the reciprocal and do the cross product. Then we're getting T is equal to 2 pi root of L by G, and this is going to be the time period of a simple pendulum. Simple formula. That's it.